have really exciting news. We are going to have a giveaway. Spin Master is sponsoring a giveaway on Mommy Ramblings. So there'll be a contest on Mommy Ramblings. You can find more in the video description. I will tell you some of the entries will be to like and subscribe to us on, like this video, subscribe to us on YouTube, comments on this video, and share this video. So if you want to get those out of the way, you can go get that out of the way and then head over to the blog. The giveaway will be listed in the video description, and I wish you all the best of luck. And I thought let's take a look at Zoomer again. And Zoomer's a playful pup. He's also a little bit of a noisy pup, but that's to be expected, right? Now let me turn him on. This right here is the on and off button, so I just put it to the line and he's on. And when his eyes are green, he's in the instant trick mode. So hi, Boomer. Ooh. Yes, you are happy, puppy, aren't you? Okay. Boomer is going to town. So he's in the instant trick mode, and he's going to just do some tricks. That's why he's rolling over. Okay, and he has those points right here on his belly, so if I scratch him, he likes that. You know, if I rub his belly, he likes that. He's got those touch points that he responds to. And to put him in voice command mode, we're going to push his back button until it turns blue. So his eyes turn blue. So come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. So watch his green eyes. Oh, he's going to go right in. He's doing another trick. Yeah, I think he just wants his belly scratched, right? You want your belly scratched. Yeah, you do. Yes, you do. You silly. Okay. And if you don't play with Zoomer for a very long time, he will eventually go into sleep mode. Okay, so now watch. Shake a paw. Shake a paw. Okay, and there's Zoomer shaking a paw. Now he'll do the one trick, and then his eyes will go green to do another voice command trick. Play dead. Now, someone told me to talk to him and do, whenever I tell Zoomer to play dead, that is what he does. He dances. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but yeah, Zoomer dances when I tell him to play dead. If you have a Zoomer, let me know if your Zoomer does that. But my Zoomer dances when I tell him to play dead. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Are you a good boy, Zoomer? Play dead. Did you see? She just said I love you, and then her eyes turned purple. You can also give Zoomer a new name. I haven't named him yet. I have to have my kids name him something. So, I love you. Isn't that cute? Her eyes turn purple and she says, I love you, in her doggy. In her doggy language. I love you. How cute. How cute. And when her eyes are purple, she is in cuddle mode. Okay, so to manage your pup now, To enter naming mode, hold the back button down while you move the on and off switch to the on position. He'll bark and his eyes will change orange. Release the button and the eyes will flash orange. Check for background noise. Make sure that you're in a quiet area. If there's too much background noise, his eyes will flash red. If it's quiet enough, his eyes will go back to flashing orange. Push the back button quickly to start recording. My eyes should be solid orange if it's quiet enough. And say the name clearly into my microphone, located on my back, right here. I will yip, and my eyes will dim orange. My eyes will go back to solid orange. My eyes should be solid orange. Say my name again. Make sure that you say the name the same way that you did. You do not need to press my back button for round 2. If you say my name correctly in round 2, my eyes will turn green. If you do not say my name correctly, my eyes will turn red, and you can try again. Keep repeating my name exactly the same way. After I have successfully saved my name, I will go into normal mode. For best results, say a name that is under 2 seconds long. Okay? So there's instant trick mode, that's when his eyes are green. It's voice command mode, but to enter cuddle mode, hold me upright and then pet my head. My eyes will turn purple. You can enter cuddle mode by pushing and holding the back button until the eyes turn purple, or you can pet Zoomer's head. So let's hold him upright and pet his head until we get some purple eyes here. There we go, we've got purple eyes, guys. So now he's in cuddle mode, and in cuddle mode, let's see if we can put our little Zoomer down here and just pet our little Zoomer. Okay, so he'll just be panting nicely, and you can pet your little Zoomer. He's not making quite so much noise, and he's just panting happily. So there's your cuddle mode. And if you don't play, I said, in a long time, it will go into sleep mode. So in cuddle mode, the puppy will make happy sounds. It will lick or bark. It will lick you or bark. Woo! Keep petting his head, and I'll roll over for belly rubs. If you stop petting my head, I'll whimper for more. And you know what, guys? I think our little guy... Uh-oh. We need a charge. But you can check our other Zoomer video, and you can check the blog post for more on little Zoomer. But he needs a charge, guys. So I'm going to give him a charge, and I'll come back. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to see in a video, and I can see about getting that done for you. But I wanted to tell you about the giveaway. That's what this was really for. So that will be up on the blog, and you can find the link in the video description. Let me know what you think about the giveaway, guys. Have a great one. Bye now.